Here we have an unsuspecting Norwegian munchkin, much larger than the common munchkin of Western Europe. It can grow up to 2 meters in length before it's reached its 12th birthday. Watch as it forages for Urtica dioica, the humble stinging nettle. But this curious creature hasn't foraged these leaves for sport. It's battling seasonal hay fever. Spoiler alert! Today, the munchkin wins. Naturally.
If sneezing, itchy eyes and stubborn breakouts have you down, then stick around. I'm going to share with you a 2-ingredient tea hack that will change your allergy season forever. Forever! So now we need some water. Look at that, eh? We're out in the wild picking our nettles fresh, but you can find nettles in most health stores sold dry in packages. Whether you're using fresh nettle or dry, you want to be using about a tablespoon per cup. You want to bring your water to a boil and then let it steep for about 5 to 7 minutes. Drink a cup of this in the morning and in the evening. The payoff? Well, a lot of people report far fewer symptoms to the point that their allergy has cleared up altogether. No more itchy eyes, no more sneezing or congestion. And it doesn't taste half bad either. It's earthy, a little grassy, a little bit like spinach and green tea. It's not a bad little brew. That comes with some remarkable health benefits, such as allergy relief that we've spoken about. Nettles are a natural antihistamine and anti-inflammatory. Nettles help to tame hay fever. Second, it's great for treating acne. The anti-inflammatory and astringent properties can calm red, inflamed skin. Third, joint support, traditionally used to treat arthritic pain. 4, it's rich in nutrients, high in iron, calcium, vitamin C, and antioxidants for overall vitality. 5th, it's also great for urinary health. Gentle diuretic action supports a healthy urinary tract. 6, is good for our hair and nail strength. Silica and other minerals help to fortify creatine structures. My personal testimony is we've been using nettles in our family to treat hay fever for years. My wife suffers tremendously in the pollen season, and before she used to take antihistamines, which they're not great for the body, and your body does build a resilience. Since she discovered nettle tea, that's all we've been using, and she goes through the pollen season unscathed. She can live a normal life. Even myself here in Cordoba, being not native to the local ecology and the super high density of pollen from the olive trees that comes during that season, even I suffer myself from itchy eyes and hay fever like symptoms, and when I take the nettle tea, it don't half help. Let me know if you've ever tried nettle tea yourself to help alleviate hay fever like symptoms or to treat acne, or maybe you've got another wild herbal remedy that you use of your own. Be sure to let us know in that comment section. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell notification. Share this video with a friend if you know that they're suffering especially from this season of pollen. Until next time guys, I'll see you later.